In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dominate AI search results in 2025, focusing on platforms like ChatGPT, AI overviews, and more. As we all know, the landscape of search is rapidly evolving, and AI is at the heart of this transformation. For businesses, this means that ranking isn't confined to just Google anymore. It's about being the trusted resource that AI platforms turn to. Especially for mid-cap or upper mid-cap brands aiming to expand, visibility in AI search isn't just an option. It's your competitive edge. Let's start with the foundational element, writing in a human-friendly manner. When crafting your content, use clear headings like H2s and H3s. These are not just aesthetic choices, they help AI delineate and quote important information easily. Incorporate FAQs, bullets, and tables, as these formats are particularly amenable to being quoted by AI. Moreover, focus on natural language and steer clear of keyword stuffing. For instance, instead of saying best affordable accounting Delhi software solution, you might phrase it as looking for accounting software in Delhi? Here's what to know. This approach feels more conversational and aligns with how people naturally seek information. Next, let's delve into the importance of schema markup. Consider schema as the code that introduces your page to AI, almost like your brand's digital identity card. By adding schema, you clarify who you are through details like your organization's name, logo, and social media links. Make sure to also integrate schema for your blogs, including dates, authors, and topics, as well as for FAQs, products, and reviews. This structured data simplifies the AI's understanding of your site, making it more likely that your site will be chosen as a reliable source. Now, moving on to making your site AI crawlable, ensure that you're not blocking AI bots by checking your robots.txt file. Additionally, submitting your sitemap to tools like Bing Webmaster Tools can enhance your site's visibility to AI. It's crucial to keep critical information in HTML text format rather than burying it in images or scripts. This practice ensures that AI can easily access and interpret your content. Building authority across the web is our next focus. Language models, or LLMs, tend to trust mentions from external sources more than just your site. Therefore, aim to get your business listed on platforms like Crunchbase, Wikidata, LinkedIn, and Google My Business. Participation in roundup articles, review sites, and niche directories can also bolster your credibility. Remember, consistency across these platforms contributes to building trust and authority. Finally, the bottom line. Dominating AI search isn't about mastering new tricks, it's about honing smarter SEO practices. There isn't a secret AI tag to exploit. The key lies in improving structured, trust-rich SEO and ensuring your content is comprehensible to both humans and machines. By following these guidelines, you'll be well equipped to navigate and succeed in the AI search landscape of 2025.